Here are 20 of the strangest places on Earth. Our planet is engulfed with mystery. From history to science, there's always something that we struggle to explain on Earth. Our planet has it all. From mysterious, strange and even scary places, to landscapes and regions that look almost as if they are the result of a Hollywood science fiction movie. In this article, we take a look at 20 of the strangest places on our planet. Enjoy. Nazca Lines, courtesy Simon E. Davis. We can't start a list of strange places on Earth without mentioning the famous Nazca Lines. Visible, mostly, from the air, the enigmatic figures, symbols and strange shapes were etched by an ancient culture from Peru, thousands of years ago. All sorts of theories have been proposed to explain the enigmatic set of lines, ranging from alien visitations to strange and mysterious whipping techniques. A beach in China, more specifically in Panjin, is covered with a type of seaweed that is called sweater, which turns bright red during the fall, giving off a stunning look like the one above. Whalebone Alley, Siberia. This one belongs to the mysterious weird places on Earth. Located around 150 kilometers from the coast of Alaska, there is an area scattered of whale ribs, jawbones, and vertebrae. According to scientists, these bones date back to the 1400s and were a place of worship for ancient cultures. Bermuda Triangle image provided by Channel 5. We had to include the Bermuda Triangle in this list. The Bermuda Triangle is a notoriously large, freakish place in the Atlantic Ocean, covering a staggering 500,000 square miles. According to reports, the area is home to an unidentified anomaly which causes ships and airplanes to disappear. Lake Hillier. The Lake Hillier, Middle Island, Recherche Archipelago Nature Reserve, in Western Australia, is a saline lake notable for its pink color. April 2011. This weird-looking, yet beautiful lake is located in Western Australia. The lake retains its pinkish color all year long thanks to its high salt content and presence of salt-loving algae Dunaliella salina, and pink halobacteria. Goblin Valley State Park, located in Utah, USA. This surreal, almost alien-like landscape of extremely soft sandstone extends a few miles across the desert terrain. It's a very popular hiking trail in Utah. The giant causeway Chris Loftus, located in Northern Ireland. This enigmatic scenery is not the result of mankind. According to scientists, some 60 million years ago, a volcanic eruption left behind molten basalt. Once it solidified, it created these amazing cracks in the rock. The door to hell. The door to hell, a burning natural gas field in Derwiz, Turkmenistan. Located in Turkmenistan, the so-called door to hell was actually a gas field once, but the Soviets lit it on fire once, and it has been burning for over 40 years now. The hand in the desert. Nope, it's not an optical illusion. In the middle of the Chilean desert, sculptor Mario Irizabal built this stunning, yet kind of freaky statue. The sculptor is known for illustrating loneliness and human suffering, which is precisely what this statue is thought to represent. One of the weirdest places on Earth. The area situated on the 27th parallel north connects the Bermuda Triangle, the pyramids of Giza and the Himalayas. Referred to as the Zone of Silence, the mysterious strip of land located near the Bolson de Mapimi in Durango, Mexico, overlapping the Mapimi Biosphere Reserve. It is believed that once inside it, clocks stop and radios cannot function properly. Tesla Towers located in Russia. The High Voltage Marks and Tesla Generators Research Facility belongs to the Russian Electrical Engineering Institute. It was created near the town of Istra, some 40 kilometers from Moscow. Nanmadol, one of the lesser-known ancient cities on Earth. Nanmadol is an ancient city located off the coast of Micronesia. Nanmadol means space in between. The entire city of Nanmadol appears to sit on top of a lagoon, connected by a number of different canals and massive stone walls. Hundreds of gates in the Saudi Arabian desert. The gates come in a number of different shapes and sizes. With the help of satellite images, archaeologists have identified hundreds of groups of stone walls called gates in the Saudi Arabian desert. Some of these gates are located next to a volcanic dome that at one time spewed out basaltic lava. Vatnajökull Glacier Caves. Just look at those incredible shades of blue. Located in the Vatnajökull Glacier to the southeast Iceland, the caves literally grow and disappear. The ice inside the ice caves literally shape-shifts, changing from what seem to be supermassive teeth protruding from the ice to massive waves trapped in suspended animation in a maze of countless interconnected chambers that show off the caves in a kaleidoscope of colors as light conditions change. Lake of Blood located in Bolivia, Laguna Colorada is what you would call a bloody lake. A shallow salt lake, around 35 centimeters in depth, which contains borax islands, which are white in color, and the real contrast with the reddish color of its waters caused apparently due to sediments and pigmentation of some algae. Lake Abraham in Canada. There is an artificial lake that, despite the fact it's stunningly beautiful, it's so dangerous that you'd really want to avoid it. The lake is filled with frozen bubbles that are filled with frozen pockets of methane, which is highly flammable. The Inner Stone, one of the most fascinating ancient sites in Brazil. The Inner Stone is an ancient monument which, according to experts, includes countless symbols and a star map depicting the constellation of Orion. Experts refer to the Inner Stone as an exceptional archaeoastronomy monument, like no other in the world. A boiling river. You wouldn't want to swim there. Thought to have been only a myth, the boiling river in the Amazon was proven to exist. Andres Russo, a scientist who, despite the fact that his colleagues believed finding the boiling river was impossible, managed to discover the mythical place in the Peruvian region of the Amazon jungle. The river's indigenous name Xanatimpishka means boiled with the heat of the sun. A 1.7 million-year-old man-made bridge. Located between Pamban Island, also known as Rameswaram Island, off the southeastern coast of Tamil Nadu, India, and Mannar Island, off the northwestern coast of Sri Lanka, is a mysterious structure that, according to researchers, could be a bridge created by mankind a staggering 1.7 million years ago. "40,000 kilometers long Inca road system." The ancient Inca were one of the most sophisticated ancient civilizations on Earth. But did you know they managed to create a massive, 40,000 kilometer long road system? The massive road system is considered as the most advanced ancient highway on the surface of the planet, giving the ancient empire access to over 3 million square kilometers, 1,200,000 square mi, of territory.